10%. Wow, that's a huge jump for International Gemmological Institute shares. What's the story behind this sudden surge?
Sounds like someone just struck gold, or rather, diamonds. A big acquisition, it seems.
Two companies, actually, IGI Netherlands and International Gemmological Institute BV. It makes you wonder what kind of gems they're unearthing.
Maybe they found the legendary Hope Diamond's long lost cousin? Or perhaps a whole mine of them.
Or maybe it's just smart business, acquiring companies to expand their reach. So they bought IGI Netherlands and International Gemmological Institute, BV. What do these companies actually do?
From what I understand, it's all about certification and accreditation of diamonds, other gemstones, and jewelry. Think of them as the diamond detectives of the world.
Detectives? That's a cool way to put it. So they're making sure everything is legit?
Exactly. Authenticity, quality assessment, the whole thing. Plus, they offer educational programs. It's a whole ecosystem, really.
An ecosystem of sparkle. And how much did this whole acquisition cost them?
A pretty penny, around 88 million USD for one and 69 million USD for the other. That's a serious investment.
Wow, that's a lot of money for some shiny rocks. But I guess it's all about the value, right? This all comes right after their IPO, right? How did that go?
Apparently, it was a huge success, oversubscribed by 35 times. Investors clearly saw the potential.
35 times. That's incredible. It seems like everyone wanted a piece of the gem action.
It certainly seems that way. And the listing itself had a significant premium.
So the IPO was a big win. And now this acquisition, it's a double win for IGI.
Definitely looks that way. They're consolidating their global operations, expanding their market share.
And the market is reacting positively, as we saw with that 10% jump.
It's a clear sign of investor confidence. They're betting on IGI's future growth.
It's interesting to see how the market responds to these kinds of strategic moves.
Absolutely. It's a testament to a well-executed plan.
So, what's next for IGI? Any predictions?
More acquisitions, further expansion into new markets? Who knows? The possibilities seem endless.
It's exciting to think about the possibilities. Maybe they'll corner the market on lab-grown diamonds.
Or maybe they'll discover a new type of gemstone entirely. That would be a real game changer.
Or maybe they'll start offering diamond-encrusted smartphones. Now that would be something.
That's a thought. Though I think they'll stick to their core business for now. Steady growth is key.
True, but a little bit of sparkle never hurts, right?
Never.
For investors, what does this all mean? Is this a good time to buy IGI shares?
That's a question for a financial advisor, not me. But the recent performance is certainly encouraging.
Of course, always do your own research before investing. But it's definitely a fascinating story.
Absolutely. It's a reminder that the world of gems and jewelry is big business.
And a business that's full of surprises. This whole thing makes me think about the global gem market. It's a huge industry, right?
Massive. And it's constantly evolving. Lab-grown diamonds are changing the game.
And sustainability is becoming increasingly important. Consumers are more aware now.
Exactly. Ethical sourcing and responsible practices are crucial for success.
So, IGI success might be a reflection of these broader trends.
It could be. They seem to be positioned well for the future.
It's amazing how a company's strategic moves can have such a significant impact.
It's a reminder that even in the world of sparkly things, smart business is key.
And that sometimes a little bit of sparkle can go a long way. This whole thing also highlights the importance of acquisitions in business growth.
Definitely. It's a powerful tool for expanding reach and market share.
And it can lead to significant returns for investors.
But it's not without risk. Due diligence is crucial.
True, it's a high-stakes game.
It's a fascinating case study in business strategy and market dynamics.
That was a great discussion. Thanks for sharing your insights.